My name is Shadrack.
Yeah.
And I'm a craftsman.
Yes.
I'm into furniture making.
Say it well. You turn all these things we see here into something
everything.
meaningful.
Yeah. It's that you see at your hotels, your restaurants, and the amazing things that you see around your homes, your center tables, and everything. You
are one of the brains behind it, right?
Yeah.
Giving us all those magic and all that. That's beautiful.
All right. So when they bring them here, because it's in big like sizes, we can't use them like this. So we'll cut it into smaller pieces. So
according to the size that you want.
The size and the shape that you want.
Right.
If you want to make a table or a chair, cut it into the shape that you want to.
And I'm told neem tree is one of the hardest.
We prefer the neem tree because it's very hard, and when you use it, it can last for a longer period.
From here, what next?
Yeah, so we cut them, then we send it to the shop.
Okay, now I think we have to move to the shop now, right? Okay, we just got to Shadrack's workshop, which is Step by Step Enterprise. Yeah. So there's work going on over there, but we're catching vibes, we're catching crews with Shadrack, who is telling us from that side, they come here, put this in shape.
Clear off the rough surface, make it smooth for grinding. So when we are done here, then we send them there to grind it so that we get the level that we set up. And these ones are the legs for chairs.
Okay. What's the name of this particular?
So the local name is Aburi.
Okay. I have no idea. Emmanuel. And how long have you been doing this as a craftsman?
2.5 years.
2.5 years.
Me, I like writing.
You like writing?
Yeah, I did this recently.
Oh, what's the name? Okay. Happy birthday, Nanekia. Cuta.
Yeah.
Is that wifey?
Yeah.
He said it's right.
We do signposts for people.
Okay.
Then sometimes people order for chopping board, customized one.
Right.
You bring your name, you write on it.
Okay. How much will it cost somebody to do this?
This one, spraying and everything can cost 200 cedi. A size like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the bigger the size, the higher the price.
Yes, please.
I get it. That's cool. What is it crafting?
He's making
a portrait.
Yeah.
More of a portrait. Yeah. It's like I would want to know. You have been doing this for how long? You said
20 years.
20 years, 2 decades. With the woods, they know you. The woods, they know you.
Oh, some know me, some don't know.
If I should come and buy this, or what would be the purpose? Where should I place it in my room?
Okay, for instance, this one, inside your room, side of your TV or your office.
Okay.
You can put drinks or books on it.
Okay. I get it. I was asking Shadrack about your raw materials. How do you get them? You just go into the forest and start, cutting down the trees and all that.
When some people are building or they are building the trees at their
houses. Okay.
They'll be calling out that.
Okay, they're selling it.
Or we come and cut it for free, or they will sell it to us. Okay. And sometimes we buy it.
Okay, so sometimes you get it for free.
Yeah.
Oh, then today I'll get johnnyla.net something for free. Or that one is different business.
Sure.
Okay, so how long will it take for this to be ready?
All right, this one is almost done. We are just smoothing using the last sandpaper work too.
Who are your regular customers? The hotels? Do people export? And I'm told step by step people export your works a lot because they are beautiful.
Yes, very, very. Every year we export more than like.
You can't even tell.
I can't tell. I can't tell.
That's it.
I can't tell.
And these are hotels or like people's homes?
Especially restaurants.
All right.
Because of we have portable this ones for restaurants, and mostly people buy them for their rooms, like nice center tables and stuff. Yeah, but restaurants comes a lot. Yeah.
I'll definitely order one of these because I love to have that African, Ghanaian, authentic environment all the time. Really, if you need some, come to Step by Step. I'm back to Shadrack and I can see he's already busy here. Yeah, I want to know what is going on.
Just trying to at least
figure something out.
Johnnyla.net.
Oh, something for Johnnyla.net. Step by Step is crafting something for Johnnyla.net. This is for everybody who has been supporting journal.net. So Shadrack is saying that you enjoy everything we do at journal.net.
Yeah, very, very, very nice.
Thank you.
It's very presentable and everything is on point.
Big JONILAR. This is a beautiful artwork coming from Shadrack and the entire team at Step Enterpris. Guys, journal.net is grateful and we appreciate this. Guys, if you want an artwork, any proper craft work done, just come to Step. I met the CEO this morning, super great person, and Shadrack, like, that's my G already. So guys, thank you so much.